Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Subway spicy Italian. Okay, this is what you're going to need. Right here I have some pepperoni been cut up. I have some tomatoes, some onions, and some cucumbers. Alright, so if you want some other stuff on yours, welcome to do it. Alright, right here, I have some Genoa hard salami right here, guys. And in this package right here, I have some pepperoni. I'll show you that. These are the pepperonis right here. I have some pepper jack cheese and also some lettuce, and I'm using this bread right here is $1, and I bought this at Walmart. Okay, so this is the bread we're going to be using today. And over here I have some Italian seasoning. All right, I probably put a little red wine vinegar on it, and I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on mine. Okay, you can put whatever you want to put on yours, some yum sauce or whatever the case may be. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and cut our bread. Well, I don't need it. Just in case. Alright. So how do I want to cut this? It looks like it's bulkier on that side. I'm going on this side. I'm just going to come in here and cut my bread like so. Like that. I'm gonna cut some more of this. Just like so, guys. Now, if you follow me, you know I always try to get some of this extra bread off of here. Just like so. Scooping it out. Now, if you want to fill somebody up, you can leave that bread in there, but I don't want a lot of bread like that. And if you wanted to, you can take that bread, this bread that you're taking off, you can use it to make some croutons. Or you can use it for a filler or make use, whatever you want to make out of it. Alright guys, I'm back. I've got my mayonnaise right here. This ain't nothing but Hellmann's mayonnaise right here. So I'm just going to come on here and slide me some mayonnaise on here on both sides. Nothing to it. Just like that. Alright, I think we should be good on the mayo. I'm gonna come in here with my lettuce on the bottom part. Like this, guys. All right, I think we're good on the lettuce. And I'm gonna come in here with some onions. Just like that. Make sure we're good all over here. Alright, now I'm coming in here with some tomatoes. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more on here. I'm coming in here with some cucumbers. Like this. I slice mine with my slicer. I'll leave a link to that if you guys want to purchase you one. It's like it's a deli slicer. There's a all right, just like that. All right, now we're gonna come in here with our meat. Here's my meat right over here. What I'm looking for. So we're just gonna put our meat in here. Yep, spicy Italian. Subway. You can make your own stuff at home, guys. And you can put much as you want to put on yours. No doubt about it. Alright, I might come down because it's going to be a big sandwich. Come with some more here and there. Now, we're going to come with our pepperoni. This is a good meal for, in the summertime. This is why I'm making this stuff, because you don't want no hot food in the summertime like that, do you? I don't. But if you do it, hey, go right ahead. Something good for the kids and adults. All right. Now I'm gonna take some of these pepperoncinis. I'm just gonna put some on here like so. Like that, guys. And we're done. Just that quick. So let me see if I can close this bad boy up. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my thumbnail and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. A Copycat Subway Spicy Italian. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, hit that bell, please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen, and I'm out. Much love.